Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO X80 Lite, and let me share with you how to update the system on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required, and then we can enter the settings. Now let's scroll down a little bit to localize the system update. Let's tap, and as you can see, your device will check for the updates. You can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where you receive the information that the system is up to date and there's nothing to download, and that's all. And the second scenario is when your device will show you the new update. It will also show you the information, what has been fixed, what has been added, and you will be able to tap on the download or install icon, and then your device will of course apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.